Hello everyone and welcome to Explosion Effects in Houdini. My name is Saber Jalasi and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 10 weeks. During this workshop, we're going to cover a variety of explosions and learn how to create everything from scratch using Houdini existing tools as well as creating custom tools. We're going to look at two render engines, Mantra and Arnold, and learn how to use them to their most potentials and explore all the features they have to offer, as well as going over the compositing workflow to make the simulation and renders look as good as possible. We're going to base our work on some of the highest quality work out there created by ILM and Weta, and do as best as we can to mimic their result and or get very close to what they have achieved. By going through these various examples, we're going to cover a variety of topics. Each one has its own difficulty, and hopefully by learning how to use Houdini for simulation as well as how to achieve and build the visuals, the student by the end should have a complete understanding and feel very comfortable on how to tackle complex effects, whether it's an explosion or a dust storm or anything related to smoke and simulation in Houdini. We should have a very clear idea on how to tackle these problems as well as build the visuals. A big problem of building visual storytelling with explosion is how to design that, how to put the layers together and how to put the elements together. We're going to talk about a lot of this. We're going to take one of the Emmy nominated shots from ILM from Star Wars, which is the nuclear explosion with the rings. We're going to study that and try to mimic and create something similar. While doing that, we're going to look at the existing workflow and everything that is available and see if we need to extend or develop anything custom to achieve exactly what we want. And we're also going to cover in depth the new workflow on how to composite something like that. The first shot, which is this one, the one with the strikes. This is from Weta work on the latest Avengers, and I will show the reference later. And we're going to try to mimic what they have done and create something similar. Now, Houdini 18, 18.5, and 17.5 has continuously gotten new features that we're going to talk about and see how to use those features in the most efficient way. Houdini 18.5 comes with a lot of new pre-built-in tools that looks very, very promising, and they are very promising, but we don't just want that. We don't want an existing tools, because I can give someone the pre-built file or a final file from something that I have done that includes everything, includes the final result, the HIP file, the compositing. That does not mean that they know how it's been done. And this is the same thing with Houdini OTLs or pre-built workflow. Having something that exists in Houdini, it does not mean that you know how it works. And very, very quickly, we realize that we have to change something or customize it to fit the need, of a specific production or a specific requirement in a shot, and then we are stuck if we don't know how it works. So we're gonna dive deep and go to the lowest level and start building everything and have the tools that we need so that we can easily control them and know how they work. This does not mean we don't want to use existing side effects tools. They are great, but we also want to dive deeper and give you guys the foundation required to feel fully comfortable tackling complex shots and achieving them. So we have a lot to go through, and let's get started. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope that you guys will like this and find it informative. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.